You think changing your engine oil is simple. Think again. One small mistake during an oil change can quietly destroy your engine from the inside out, and most drivers don't even realize they're doing it wrong until it's too late. From using the wrong oil to overfilling, underfilling, or installing the filter incorrectly, these common mistakes can lead to oil leaks, overheating, severe engine wear, and even complete engine failure, costing you thousands in repairs. In this video, we're exposing the most dangerous oil change mistakes people make and showing you exactly how to avoid them before they ruin your engine. Watch until the end, because mistake number 7 is something almost everyone does wrong. First up, using the wrong oil. Not all engine oils are the same. Different engines require different oil viscosities and formulations. Using the wrong oil can reduce lubrication, increase engine wear, hurt fuel economy, and even cause overheating problems over time. That's why you should always check your owner's manual before buying oil. Whether your engine needs 0W20, 5W30, or 5W40, using the correct oil makes a huge difference in engine performance and longevity. Number 2, overfilling the engine oil. A lot of people think adding a little extra oil is harmless, but too much oil can actually damage your engine. Overfilled oil creates excessive pressure inside the crankcase, which can lead to oil leaks, foaming, and poor lubrication. The safest way to avoid this mistake is to add oil slowly and check the level with the dipstick as you go. Keep the oil level right in the recommended range, not above it. Number 3, underfilling the oil. Just like too much oil is bad, too little oil can be even worse. Low oil levels reduce lubrication to critical engine components, increasing friction and heat inside the engine. If ignored, underfilled oil can lead to excessive wear, overheating, or complete engine failure. After every oil change, always double-check the dipstick to make sure the oil level is exactly where it should be. Number 4, not replacing the oil filter. This is one of the biggest mistakes DIY mechanics make. Your oil filter traps dirt, sludge, and metal particles from the engine oil. If you leave the old filter on, you're basically sending dirty oil right back through the engine. Every time you change your oil, replace the oil filter too. It's a cheap part that plays a massive role in protecting your engine. Number 5, forgetting to lubricate the oil filter gasket. Before installing the new oil filter, always apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the rubber gasket. Skipping this step can cause the gasket to stick, twist, or seal improperly, leading to annoying oil leaks later on. A quick wipe of clean oil helps the filter seal correctly and makes removal easier during the next oil change. Number 6, over-tightening the oil filter. This mistake happens all the time, even with experienced DIYers. The oil filter doesn't need to be tightened with maximum force. In most cases, hand tight plus about a quarter turn is more than enough. Over-tightening can damage the gasket or crack the filter housing, which may cause serious oil leaks. Number 7, changing the oil with a cold engine. Cold oil is thicker and drains much slower, meaning old contaminants and sludge can stay trapped inside the engine. Before changing your oil, let the engine run for about 5 minutes so the oil warms up slightly and flows out more easily. Just be careful not to get the engine too hot, because hot oil can cause serious burns. And finally, number 8, not checking for leaks afterward. Even if the oil change seems perfect, you should always inspect for leaks after finishing the job. A loose drain plug or improperly installed filter can quickly dump oil onto the ground, or worse, leave your engine running dangerously low on oil. After the oil change, start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. Then check around the drain plug and oil filter area for any signs of leaking oil. So there you have it, 8 common oil change mistakes that can seriously damage your engine if ignored. Avoid these simple errors and your engine will run smoother, last longer, and save you money on costly repairs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, stay safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next one.